Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and if your Zoom is not working properly, like meetings not starting, audio not connecting or video freezing, follow these steps to fix the issue. So first of all, you need to close and reopen the Zoom. Let's go. And imagine if you logged in and it didn't help you. We're going to check on the app permissions. We're going to settings, apps, and search for the Zoom. Here you go, and app permissions. So the main permissions we need: the camera, microphone, phone, and contacts. Here you go. Let's go to the Zoom again, and if it didn't help you, the next option would be the reinstalling the app. So we're going to Play Store, going to Zoom, and uninstall and install it again. And here we go. Let's open. And if it still didn't help you, you might go to check for service outages. So we are going to Google and searching down detector.com. Let's go and let's go find Zoom. And as you can see, there wasn't any shutdown beside this one. So the Zoom servers for the last 24 hours were going very good. Okay, so if it isn't an issue, the last thing you can do is check on your connection, which is Wi-Fi. They're connected good in my which is the Wi-Fi that is connected good at my phone, mobile data, and if they are working good, just try to reboot your phone and restart it. That was Hard Reset. Thank you for watching. See you next time.